color I'll be spray painting it is gold. We'll go with the color gold. For the rims, I'm gonna paint them gloss white. Okay, so the rims, I'm gonna leave them to dry a little bit longer, but the gold is already dry. As you can see, there's no gold on my fingers, so it's dry. So right now, I'm gonna do cool designs to make it look even better. For these designs, I'm gonna use white, so it's gonna have white designs on top of the golden body. Okay, let's begin. Put that right over here. Okay, so it looks like the wheels, the rims are actually dry, so now I can install them. Oh yeah, look at this. Ah, this is beautiful. The gold and the white. Ooh. And the white rims, and with the gold at the back. The Pikachu. For a first time Pikachu, that's pretty cool. We got the white leaf design. Oh, this is spicy. The gold came out beautiful. Look at that. We got the rear Pikachu that dried already. Ooh, this is spicy stuff. The pure gold by itself, no white on one side with the white rims. Oh, this is just beautiful. The hood with the leaf design, the front grille, gold. This is beautiful. I'm keeping the blue in the interior. Keep it OG. This is nice. This is truly nice. And this is my first time spray painting something this big. I can't believe it came out this good. So, this is like, the project is almost finished. So I'm gonna spray paint it in this video. But the next video is where I install a sound system. A sound system. It's gonna have a subwoofer and loudspeakers installed. Not only that, but I'm gonna do the finishing touches. I'm gonna install rear lights, front lights. Oh, I just have to put things back together, like I haven't installed the front lights yet. But this thing is gonna be bright. And you thought those two front lights that I installed in the previous video was bad. I'm gonna install more lights. 50 watts each light. That's more power. And when I tested that video, my battery never even lasted 5 minutes because those front lights were chewing that battery fast. Now, what do you think is going to happen when I install all those other lights? Sound system that has a big subwoofer. Yes, this is custom. But it's a sad thing that I can't ride it because it's a bit too small for me. But at least I'll get to drive it. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Ooh, this is spicy. Look at that. It looks like, oh, not a lot of overspray. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't Pikachu? Isn't? Yes. Yep. I think it's good. Yeah. And don't forget, this design, I used paper. I never used like a stencil. It was just paper. It came out good.